The Spanish tortilla is one of the most famous egg dishes for a reason. It's basically an omelet where first you cook a bunch of potatoes, onions, and a lot of olive oil. You cook them until the potatoes are fork tender, and then we add that to the egg mixture. So the recipe is super simple.
Okay. I have made this multiple times before, but something did go wrong during the filming of this one. It all worked out in the end. I did not use a recipe. I will try to give measurements. I couldn't find a recipe that used as many eggs as I had used. But I do not follow recipes. Last time I made it, I unironically used about 6 or 7 eggs. This time I think I used 10. Cut the potatoes like this. And then cut them like this. And then don't cut your finger because that's what I did and it really hurt and I had to take a break until it stopped bleeding. I boil the potatoes rather than frying them. Well, and also I like the taste of the chicken and vegetable stock in the potatoes. It means you don't really have to add any salt because you get salt from that anyway. Turns out it's absolutely impossible to film yourself flipping a tortilla in a pan while also holding your phone because you do need 2 hands for it. I did not let it cook for long enough before I tried to flip it and there was lots of raw egg that fell out, as you can see. Maybe because I used 10 eggs, perhaps that was too many. May have just needed to heat it up slower.
Trust the process.
Let the egg cook slower.
No one's gonna know
all the way
it's burnt on the
through
bottom.
before I tried to flip it the first time.
Perfect. Just
Despite the failure, it tasted great and it looked great when it was cooked on the other side. This is pretty easy to make once you know how, and you can't just wing it after you know how to make it. It's just like the hardest part is flipping it.